haha impeachment yoka tukishia twake muno gwika siasa cito wega twekioja
no wa mu advice ite
na twekire wenu wa mu advice ile urutoro ni kwandikira gwetwika ati kuma riria wokire kuo niguo ambirie gutua matua maria macungirire gukarutwo ofisi tabana wako waruga wewe watwikira advisor wake nginya ugikinya andu gwetwika no watwika personal advisor wake politically did you advise him wrongly when it came to impeachment?
First and foremost digukigira specific advice ile ndamuheana yake no na nyumo ndikire mundu ucio akiaria kumari ndio ugithikiria mundu ucio ndigwicira ana handu akinyaga akerira matua mari atua aguga nie uri thirikari yo giwa thirikari yo nijo makijira jikiona ngirega uti hindu gugitwika he mundu ari na hau wamwiraga uri agwika he's very clear in his head that he made the right decision all the way to the end nyakuma no muthi ukimuthikiriria guti handu eriraga neumire thirikari so I don't think he handu agiuga ni ndamuteire na advice yakwa no menye mundu advice agona kuria mundu ka umuthi gikondi advice aku Jeff ujiro ni wenda guthi nyiri ni ndikwa advice uthi na ikuru
acha
kana uthi gumu riu ni wira wakwa ni gukwa advice nigetha uthi nyiriri
uthi ugikatia
tukuoya 2NK kana tukombore ngari kana ngari no inayo haja kana tukombore ka helicopter ni wira wakwa ni gukuria urenda guthi njira nyiri na dakika cigana ni guthi kiro ko muthenya mugima kana tuthi maguru so I can't advise you something different from what you want to be.
Yes
well jira riu ni ndirona tatoikani na thirikari ndo wega ni advice yako yukuri na njira riku na njira ungejira ndo twikare thirikari ni that's how I advise you.
Okay.
It's very difficult to advice uthie kure utarenda uthi so mundu kuga ati ndi damu advice ile athi kure atenda uthie ino akorio ni kindu kingiarega yes
ugume kamutari wa former deputy president ni warutire wira uria wehokeirwo na wamutarire uria kwagiriye turi handu wa muteire orona hanini
acha
okay
ona diwisha ni ndaigwa kiuga he handu ndamuteire
okay
sheshe ni hakuhe nawe.